everyone, I am Ricky and welcome to today's edition of the Mouse Bites. The Mouse Bites is your latest Walt Disney World, Disneyland, Disney Cruise Line, and Universal Orlando news. Now, the big question on a lot of people's minds who are planning fall trips to Walt Disney World is Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party going to happen? And unfortunately, once again for 2021, the answer to that question is no. There is not going to be a Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party this year. However, with that being said, Disney has created a plan to at least have something fun for guests to be able to do for the Halloween season. What is it? Well, it's Disney After Hours Boo Bash. Okay, so I know you're asking, how does the Boo Bash differ from Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party? Here are the big things. First of all, there are no parades, there are no fireworks, and there are no stage shows. All right, so with that being said, what do you get to experience during Disney After Hours Boo Bash? So, the Boo Bash includes Halloween-themed cavalcades, character sightings throughout the park, and yes, they will be dressed up in their cute little Halloween outfits. There's also going to be special performances by the Cadaver Dans, decor, lighting, and music. And yes, for those who are curious, you will be able to go trick-or-treating, which is, of course, one of the best parts about experiencing either Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party or, of course, this event. Guests are still going to be able to dress up in costume, so if you want to come dressed in your fantasticness, go ahead. The one thing to keep in mind is that costume masks are not permitted for adults. They can only be worn by children younger than the age of 14. However, guests do still need to wear appropriate face coverings throughout the event, so just keep that in mind. So, guests can attend the Disney After Hours Boo Bash on select nights from August 10th until October 31st. The event will take place most nights from 9 p.m. until midnight. However, on select nights in August and September, they're actually going to take place from 9:30 p.m. until 12:30 a.m. Guests can enter the Magic Kingdom as early as 7 p.m. without the need to purchase a day ticket or the need to make a Disney Park Pass reservation. For guests who don't know, Disney After Hours does allow guests to experience more than 20 attractions as well, so that's kind of a cool thing. Now, tickets for Disney After Hours Boo Bash will go on sale next month with an early purchase window available to guests at select Walt Disney World Resort hotels. Now, as we learn more about the Boo Bash, we will absolutely share that with you on our social media, so make sure that you follow along so you know all the details of what to expect during this year's Halloween festivities. Moving over to Disneyland Resort. Now, at the Disneyland Resort, there are some fan favorite Disneyland table service dining options that are returning. So, here's the list of where you can begin to make your dining reservations and where. Paradise Garden Grill is opening on May 13th. Al Fresco Tasting Terrace is opening on May 20th, exclusively for Legacy Pass holders, with reservations on May 18th. Blue Bayou is opening on the 27th of May, with reservations on the 18th of May. Napa Rose is opening on the 28th of May, with reservations available on May 18th. Storytellers Cafe is also opening on the 28th, with reservations being available on May 18th. And GCH Craftsman Bar will have reservations available on May 28th. These dates, of course, are subject to change. Of course, dining reservations and everything, there is limited seating capacity, which may mean it may be harder to make advanced reservations at some of your favorite spots. Guests will need to have a confirmed theme park reservation and tickets for the same park on the same day, 60 days in advance to make their reservation. That's going to do it for all the news that I have for you today. Again, make sure you follow The Mouse for Less on all of our social sites. So you have Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest. Also, you should subscribe to our newsletter. So you can go to themouseforless.com/newsletter and sign up there. Actually, the newsletter goes out this week, so you can sign up to get all the tips, tricks, discounts, that kind of thing. So make sure you sign up today. There are 2 newsletters that you can sign up for. If you want to book a trip to Walt Disney World, maybe you want to experience the Disney After Hours Boo Bash, you can visit our friends at the Magic for Less Travel. They would be more than happy to assist you and get you a free, no obligation quote. Visit them today at themagicforless.com. That's going to do it for me. We will see you the next time on The Mouse Bites. Have a great day, everyone.